Okay, so since this is, I cleaned the sink with hot soap water, just so that it's clean. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the bag first, and then I'm gonna take the turkey out of the bag and then put it on here. So this kind of just really helps contain like all the pieces together. Okay. So I'm not using this. This is for if you were making the turkey in the oven. This kind of tells you the temperature. I think this turns white when it's cooked.
Oh, okay.
But it's just like a built-in thermometer, but we're not using that. Because that pole, or this one right here, it'll go through here. And so I like to cut this off. Let's get this guy done. So when you fry anything, you might already know this, but we like to make sure there's no like extra flap, because then it could potentially cause like the oil to, to create air. And then I think a lot of the times it's just makes it more difficult to try to, oh, sure, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, it's like that. That way it's nice and, all right. So like this is just fat. Oh yeah, this knife is much sharper. Yeah. This is what Mom said that she wanted.
She probably didn't think about the oil thing.
It's kind of like a marinade.
Ah, okay.
So you're injecting the marinade into it.
I feel like we are ready for surgery.
Yes.
Exactly. Now you need is your mask.
Don't worry about that. Just basically just start.
Oh.
Do with what we got here.
Much better.
So this is not the way to do it, because you don't want it to squirt like that. You want it nice and slow. I think that might have squirted a little bit out. Woo! We'll start there. If we need to add more, we'll add more. But should be okay. I'm ready whenever you are. There you go. Turn that sucker up. It'll be down here, and we want to get it to 350. That's when the turkey. You can do it.
What can do it?
I'm just talking to the turkey, telling her she can do it.
Checkers, go.
Giant.
Yep, it's for giant turkeys. Pretty much done. Because I can't, there's not much more I can do. It's just gonna roll off.
And then, wow. Oh, here.
I'm gonna try to lower it so that it's a little bit more consistent temperature. Because it's at 350. We don't want any hotter than 350.
Perfect.
Gently, so Okay. Hold on.
She's making it.
No, power's fine. I just.
It's just coming off.
It's gonna go quick. This is perfect. And there's not that much, so. Alright,
Got a little glue on them.
Oh, okay. Cranberries?
Time to eat now.
Mommy, what is after dinner, if I eat all my food,